Why do we study psychology? Have you ever asked yourself, why do people think, feel, and behave the way they do? Why do two people react differently to the same situation? These questions led to the development of psychology, the scientific study of the human mind and behavior. How human psychology started. Long before psychology became a course in schools, humans were already trying to understand the mind. In ancient times, thinkers and philosophers asked questions about thoughts, emotions, memory, and behavior, but their explanations were mostly based on philosophy and religion, not science. People believed behavior was influenced by the soul, spirits, or supernatural forces. But as human knowledge grew, scholars began to ask a new question. Can the human mind be studied scientifically? The birth of psychology as a science. Psychology officially became a scientific field in 1879 when a German scientist named Wilhelm Wundt established the first psychology laboratory. This was a turning point. For the first time, the human mind was studied using experiments, observation, and measurement, just like other sciences. Later, other scholars expanded the field. Sigmund Freud focused on the unconscious mind. John B. Watson studied observable behavior. B.F. Skinner explored learning through reinforcement. These contributions helped psychology grow into a structured and respected academic discipline. Why do we study psychology? Psychology is studied for many important reasons. One, to understand human behavior. It helps us understand why people act the way they do. To understand the mind. It explains thoughts, emotions, memory, and decision-making. To solve real-life problems. Psychology is used in areas like mental health, education, business, and even criminology. To improve society. By understanding behavior, we can reduce crime, improve relationships, and promote better decision-making. Psychology today. Today, psychology is a broad field connected to many areas, including health, education, law, and social life. It is no longer based on guesswork. It is a scientific study backed by research and evidence. Final thought. Psychology began as simple questions about the human mind. Today, it is a powerful field that helps us understand ourselves and others. And it all comes down to one important question. If we understand how the mind works, can we better control our actions? Like and subscribe to EduCrimNab for more educational videos.